Alright guys, tonight's project, we're gonna feed this new throttle cable and shift gear cable from here all the way to here. So wish me luck. So we're gonna cut the old one and tap this one to this one, tie them together. See how it goes. I'm gonna cut this part off. That way it doesn't get stuck anywhere. Then we're gonna tie this with the rest of the new one. Alright guys, let's zip tie it with two zip tie to give it more strength in case it doesn't break out. And then we're just gonna pull. Let's see how it goes. I think it's best to have two people, but today I'm one hand short. My son went fishing, so I'm on my own today. Let's see what we got under here, guys. Okay, we got two pull in here. Alright, let's see how it goes. There could be right here. Okay, we're stuck. See what's going on. Okay, guys. With a little patience, I got it through. Alright. I don't know where the other one went, but pull the one back that way. Alright, I went here and connected the bottom one first. We're going to do the gear shift first, then we'll do the throttle last. Alright guys, everything's in. Confirming the thing. Alright, a whole new system. Voila, perfect.